Hello, welcome back. So we were keep going to find a solution to our hello world. Let's generate an abstract. Recently we were having a problem with compiling the code, but now hopefully it's going to be not an issue, and we will keep going after passing this exercise. Okay, there is no abstract. Let's keep going. Hello world. We already done this steps. Let's check this out. Cout. How can we use cout? As we can see here, it's explained. Still generating abstract. I think this is not gonna work. Let's skip for today and go to the lesson, and let's watch this video. Actually, it might be an interesting to watch. If it's going to be generated though. Still generating. Okay, I think this is also generating. Okay, whatever, let's go. Std double column cout, put our minus, and we can call this actually I knew this is called something else. This is called something else. If you know, comment down on the comment section and we just can take a look at, because I don't remember. Hello world, and don't forget this. Oh, there you go. Let's play.
Welcome to the world of C++. In this lesson, we will cover the basics of input and output. We will start with a simple program that prints hello world to the console. The C++ standard library provides input and output streams. These streams
The C++ standard library provides it.
the stream operators. When using the std send stream to read input, the data. When using the std since let's take a look at a simple C++. The C++ standard library. That's it for this lesson on basic input and output in C++. With this knowledge.
Wait. What is this about linked list and binary search? Stream operators are used to insert data into the output stream and extract data from the input stream respectively. These operators can be used with various data types, including integers, strings, and characters. Okay. Stream operators. And input-output streams, stack memory, input-output stream. Each function call pushes a frame, returns pop. Last in, first out, stack. Okay. I think those are irrelevant. But let's check this out. You can see. Oh, we can even copy this here. Wow. That's great. And key takeaways: C++ standard library provides input and output streams, which are used to read and write data to and from the console. Use stdc out for output and stdc in for the input. Stream operators and this are used to insert and extract data. Input and output operations can be performed with various data types. Yes, conclusion. That's it for the lesson on the basics input and output in C++. With this knowledge, you can start creating your own C++ program that interact with the console. However, those are...
Welcome to the world of C++. In this lesson,
Welcome to the world of C++.
I think it's better. Whatever, let's close this. And... oh, there you go. I just copy paste like a newbie. And you see, I think this is not efficient. Let's delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. And this is more efficient. And let's run this. How about this? Let's test this. I struggled function run. Let's checking the compiling. Oh yeah, there you go. Hello world. And how about analyze with rubber duck? How about that? Check past. Output matches the expected pattern exactly. Okay, still analyzing though. I think it's gonna be a while just because it just took a while. Also, this abstract is already completed. Let's check this out. This problem requires writing a simple C++ program that prints the text hello world, followed by a new line demonstrating the setup of a C++ environment and the use of the main function. The goal is to verify that the compiler, editor, and main function are working correctly. By solving this problem, learners will understand the basic syntax of C++. The exact text hello world followed by a new line must be printing, requiring precise attention to the output format. Yep. Difficulty note. This is a foundation difficulty problem because it requires only basics understanding of C++ syntax and doesn't involve complex algorithm and data structures. Okay, those are the similar things that we have written before. How about the analyze with rubber duck? Analyze with rubber duck. What is analyze with rubber duck? Let's see if it's going to answer my rather silly question. Oh, rubber duck is already completed. Let's check this out. Let's close this one. I think it's thinking. The solution is correct and solves the stated problem. Can I also use this? Yeah. It prints the exact text hello world followed by a new line as required. These are no edge cases in this problem and the solution handles a single possible input, running the program correctly. Idiomatic C++. The solution is mostly idiomatic C++. It uses standard library cout from the IOStream header for output, which is standard way to print the console in C++. However, it doesn't explicitly include error handling. But for such a simple program, this is acceptable. Error handling. It's too early, of course. This is just a print. Come on, man. The time complexity is O of 1. How big O1? We can say big O1. Big O1, just 1. As the program performs a constant number of operations, the space complexity is also big O of 1. As the program uses a constant amount of memory, one concrete improvement. One improvement that could help this learner the most is to become familiar with the std column and L manipulator, which is useful for ensuring that the buffer is flushed. After printing, this can be particularly helpful when working with files or excuse me, or other non-interactive output streams. The learner could replace -n with std and L to achieve this. However, sorry, for a simple console application like this, using -n is a good choice as it avoids the overhead of flushing the buffer on every line. Okay, this is, I think, best practice in simple programs. That's what it says, but usually this flushes for you, so you don't need to flush here. That's what I understood. If you know, please, if you know deeply, please type comments in this comment section, because this concept is kind of I understood, but also it seems like maybe not, because I don't know what is flushing. Like it's flushes, of course, flushes like it's end of the program, like everything is going to be deleted or just wiped it out. So if you put it and L here, it's just going to flush before the end of the program, end of the code. But we do this here, it's more efficient because it doesn't flush, so therefore it's more technically more less overwhelming or something. This, yeah, again, if you know the deep, please type in the comment section. All right, thank you for this lesson, and I hope you learned also something useful, and we will go to next challenge in the next video. See you in the next video. Have fun in C++ journey. Bye bye, cheers.